Hey, get it down about 20, get it down about 20 here. Hey, get it down 18, 20. Hey, get it down 22. Hey, get it down about 2, 2, 5. Hey, get it down about 2, get it down 5, about 2, 2, 5, 7. Hey, get it down 7, 30. Hey, get it down 30, get it down 30. Hey, get it down 32. Hey, get it down about 30. You're in at 30, get me 32. Hey, get it down 30, get it down 2, 2. Hey, get it down 30, bid 32,000 on it. Hey, get it down about 2 here. Hey, get it down 30 bid 32,000 on it. Hey, get it down 32. Hey, get it down 30 bid, get it down about 2, 2. Mikey, what do you want to do? I'm at 30 bid, 32. I'm at 30 bid, 32,000. Mikey, what do you want to do? Mikey, I'm at 32. 30 bid, 32. I'm at 30 bid, 32,000. You all done with a 2. I'm at 2, give him a 2 here. I'm at 32, 35. 35,000. I'm at 35,000 on the table of a 2, get it on 5 here. I'm at 35. I get it on a 32, 33. Is that what he's saying? 33. 34 in your answer, 33 behind 34. 33, 34. What are you going to do? 33, 34. Reserve is on. 34,000. No, sir, there's no mistakes. I'm over here. We'll tell it. You're going to be 34. I'm going to be 33, 34. So 33,000. Taylor, 33,000. 51.
69 is going to be a 1962 Ford Galaxy. Got a 406 cubic inch or 105 horsepower engine with a 4-speed transmission and original shifter. The 3 2-barrel carb setup, factory color code of the chestnut. It has its original date tag.
Yeah, but a time, but a take it on 75 here. Hang it on 75 here, get it on 50, get it on 25, 30. Have it at 30,000 on the day, 30, 35 here. Have it at 37, 35,000 on the day, get it on 5 here. Have it at 35, 50, 40. I took it up, sir, I took it on the internet first. 37, okay, not 40. Now 40, 37, not 40. I have it at 40. I have it at 75, gonna be 40. It's down to 5. Hang it at 40, 2, 5, 5. Hang it at 45. I have it at 2, 5, 45,000. 45, 7, 5.